Big truck is locked. Hey. Traffic, Cardinal 30691, taking off runway 27, departing to the northwest, 4,500, Ionia. All right, get ourselves lined up. 27, 27, 27, we are lined up. Full power. We're in the green, 2,500. Here we go.
That's Sparta traffic, Skymaster, 3,000 feet. We're 8 miles
30,
inbound landing Sparta.
40, 50, 60. We are airborne. Getting some air.
And feel so good.
Ionia traffic, Cardinal 30691, 1 to the west, departing the area to the northwest, Ionia. Oh, got a bug.
Oh, shit.
We got a bee.
Oh, fucking fuck. I got eyes on him.
Bonanza 90 Echo, contact approach 1.2.
Hit it firmly.
I think I got him. Great Lakes approach, Cardinal 30691.
808, just remain in the circumference now. Hey, fine. Alright, call and approach and answer second.
Cardinal 30691 to the northwest of Ionia at 2,800, climbing to 4,500. We'd like VFR flight following the Muskegon.
Cardinal 6901, squawk 0227.
0227, 691. Alright, 3,000, start leaning it out a little bit.
122 Kilo Sierra, Great Lakes approach, squawk 0254.
122 Kilo Sierra.
Yeah.
We know that bird.
Hi, buddy.
Buddy. That's the first time we've had a bee in the cockpit. At least it wasn't a wasp. That would have sucked.
Yeah, it was 3276, turn rating 080.
I don't do well with insects.
I wasn't quite sure how that would end.
You just bail out.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Nope.
Deploy the chutes.
Yep. Yep. I'm not a fan of bees, as you well know.
Cessna 6901, proceed straight on runway 24, contact Muskegon Tower 126.25.
126.25, 691. Muskegon Tower, Cardinal 30691, 15 to the east at 4,200 with Mike inbound for full stop, 691.
Number 30691, Muskegon Tower, runway 24, clear to land, wind 270 at 8.
24 clear to land, 691, thanks. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop, and we're gonna get the first set of flaps in. Buffeting there, but we're good. There we go. A little air there right at the end.
Cardinal 691 going to the FBO.
Affirmative, 691.
Cardinal 691, roger. Left turn hotel. Hotel straight into the main ramp. Have a good day.
Left on hotel, straight to Vision. Thanks, 691. Clear left, clear right, clear straight.
And our crew car for the day.
Muskegon Tower, Cardinal 30691, holding short 24, ready for departure.
Cardinal 30691, Muskegon Tower. Turn left heading 200, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Left turn 200, cleared for takeoff, runway 24, 691, thanks. All right, 24, 24, 24. Heartbeat cold, taps are down, here we go. In the green, 2500, here we go. Airspeed's alive, 40, 50, 60.
Cardinal 691, contact departure, safe flight.
Going over to departure, and hey, quick shout out to the food truck at the end of the runway there. We went there for lunch, it was great. 691.
Awesome, good to know.